Okay, this is Sean. Hi, family and friends. So as you can tell, we no longer have a sidewalk. This is after 9:30, and look at all this. Whoa, baby, look at all this snow. There it is, guys. The, the sidewalk is gone. Oh, wow. I think I'm up to like a foot of snow now. Look at that. I got snow boots on. So yeah, see? So yeah, this is what we're doing with Blizzard Nemo. Oh, wow. Yep, this is fun. I think we're finishing with ice. Oh, look at that wind. Look at that wind, guys. Yep, here it is. Look, never seen so much snow in my life. Oh, wow. See, look at that wind. Look. So you can see, I got snow boots on. So this is pretty much a foot of snow at 9 o'clock. I mean, after 9:30. And hi, honey. Good. So this is at 9:30. We're expected to get some more snow throughout the night. So yeah, so as you can tell, this is, never seen so much snow, never experienced a blizzard. It's funny that it's named after a fish, clownfish in Australia, in the movie. So yeah, here we go. I'm taking you guys to the light there because I want you to see the light on the wind. It's going crazy. Woo! It's like sand and snow version. Sand. Oh, wow. See that wind, guys? There we go. I think we're at 35 miles per hour gust. So yeah, Sean Ellis recording. See? Look at that. Wow. This is the house. This is fun, guys. So, yep. Here I am. It's nice snow. Now I gotta trek myself back all the way up to the house. So yeah, here's my, look at that. There's a lot of snow. Oh, woohoo! Oh my goodness, wow! Oh, jeez, that's a gust right there. Oh, Lord. Yep, here we go. See? Look at this. It's supposed to be like this for the rest of the whole night. Oh, sure, electricity went out. Well, that light went out. Oh, dang. I hope we don't lose electricity. Well, we still got it right here. Oh. So, yeah, the snow is probably a little bit uneven because of the way it's blowing. That light went out. So yeah, see, that electricity just went out over there. That light went out. That light just went out. So, this is Sean, signing off. Peace.